In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. More than 700 people martyred across 9 provinces following the recent Pakistani incursions into the country. The foreign minister emphasizes resolving Afghanistan-Pakistan issues through diplomatic channels. And Trump announces the rescue of a US pilot from the Iranian territory. Welcome to the news package. It's Sunday, the 18th of Shawwal al-Muazzam 1447, the 16th of Amal 1405, and the 5th of April 2026. The news details. Mullah Hamdullah Fetrat, the deputy spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, has stated that Pakistani military regime carried out incursions into 9 provinces of the country between February 22 and April 4, 2026. As a result, 761 civilians have been killed and 626 others wounded. He further added that the aerial, artillery, and rocket attacks led to the destruction of 34 mosques, 23 religious seminaries, 13 schools, 3 health centers, 256 shops, and 42 vehicles. Additionally, 661 heads of livestock were lost. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, during a consultative meeting between Afghanistan and Central Asian countries in Kabul, stated that the Islamic Emirate is participating in negotiation with Pakistan held in Urumqi, China, with sincerity and a solution-oriented approach. Mr. Muttaqi emphasized that the Islamic Emirate has consistently sought to resolve issues through mutual understanding, dialogue, and relations grounded in respect and reciprocity, while reserving its inherent right to defend its territorial integrity and its people. The news continuation. The Embassy of Iran in Kabul has expressed condolences over the deaths and injuries of a number of citizens caused by recent flooding in various provinces of the country. In an official statement, the embassy conveyed its sympathy with victims and the bereaved families affected by the natural disaster. And ultimately, the US President Donald Trump has announced that a missing pilot of an American F-15 fighter jet, which had crashed over Iran, has been rescued in a special operation. In a statement, Trump described the missing as one of the most daring search and rescue operations, noting that dozens of aircraft were involved. He added that the pilot, though injured, is now in a stable condition following the rescue. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.